Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a banana bread latte, a warm cozy drink that tastes just like a fresh slice of banana bread in a cup. This latte is rich, comforting, and lightly spiced, with natural banana sweetness and creamy coffee goodness. It's perfect for slow mornings, cozy afternoons, or anytime you want a dessert-style coffee without turning on the oven. Ingredients to make this delicious latte: you'll need 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 3/4 cup milk whole, oat, almond, or your favorite 2 tablespoons banana purée, ripe banana. Mashed smooth, 1-2 teaspoons brown sugar or maple syrup. To taste, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg optional, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract optional, topping, whipped cream, cinnamon, or crushed walnuts. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee and set it aside. In a small saucepan over low heat, combine the milk, banana purée, brown sugar or maple syrup, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract. Whisk continuously to help the banana fully blend into the milk and prevent scorching. Heat until the mixture is steaming and smooth, but do not let it boil. Once warmed, remove the milk mixture from the heat. For an extra smooth latte, you can blend or froth the mixture using a handheld frother or blender. Pour the brewed coffee into your favorite mug, then slowly add the banana-spiced milk. Stir gently to combine. Finish with whipped cream if desired, and sprinkle a little cinnamon or crushed walnuts on top for that true banana bread feel. Sip, relax, and enjoy every cozy bakery-inspired sip of your homemade banana bread latte. And that's it. Your banana bread latte is ready to enjoy. Tevon warm, creamy, and full of cozy spice, this drink is pure comfort in a cup. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel with a fellow coffee lover. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next delicious video. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.